This is A Square Maths Made Easy Words Academy. Now, welcome to my YouTube. In my today's video, we shall be looking at sequence, and this very particular sequence has to do with two terms. So that is to say, anytime two terms are involved, use simultaneous what equation. What did I say? Use what? Simultaneous what equation. Now, I want us to look at the question first. Sometimes so many find it difficult on how to solve this kind of problem. But I want to tell you, when you listen very carefully, what did I say? When you listen very what carefully, you will grab a lot of things from this sequence. Watch. Now the question says, the third term of an arithmetic progression is what? 9. And the seventh term is what? Minus 29. Full stop. Now find the 10th term of the what? Progression. Now what we are going to do now is to be taking it bit by bit. Now if you observe my last video on that sequence, arithmetic what? Progression, I was able to bring out the format or the formula. Are you with me? Now let's take it bit by bit. Now the question says the third term of an arithmetic progression is what? Minus 9. So which means T3, are you with me, is what? Minus 9. Now what is the formula for the third what term? The third term is A plus 2D, are you there? Then equal to minus what? 9. Now call this equation what? 1. Then we now move again to the continuation of the question. And the seventh term is what? Minus 29. So which means T7 is what? Minus 29. Now the question is, what is the formula for the second term? It is A plus what? 60. Reduction by 1. Idea. A plus what? 60. And the same thing as minus 29. Then call this equation what? 2. Now when you observe the 2 now, you find out that it has led to what we know as simultaneous what equation. Now I want to use what we call elimination what method in order to solve this. I want you to watch. Now taking out the equations one after the other. The first one says A plus 2D, then it's now equal to minus 9, which is equation 1. Then the second one is A plus 6D, are you with me? It's now equal to minus 29, which is what? Equation what? 2. Now if you observe equation 1 and 2, you agree with me that the coefficient on both sides are the same. Here is 1 and here is 1. So I want to get it off. So introduce what? Minus. Are you with me? Then draw your line. Now, can I read it now? Watch. A minus A is already gone, or is already 0. Are you there? Now the next one is 2D minus plus 6D. I repeat, 2D minus plus what? 6D. You know, mathematically, minus times plus is what? Minus. So which means the analysis now is plus 2D minus 6 what? D will give us minus 4D. Are you with me now? Now we now move over to the right. Now the right is minus 9 minus 29. I take it again. Minus 9 minus what? 29. You know, minus is what? Plus. Then how do we read it now? Minus 9 plus what? 29. We call it give us 20. Are you with me now? So simply we are now making the common difference subject of the formula. I will now divide by the coefficient, which is minus 4. Can I say minus 4D divided by minus 4? Then to the right, the same, 20 divided by minus what? 4. So minus 4 down, we cancel minus 4 up, remaining what? D. Are you there? So which means I will factor minus. 4 can go into 20. How many times? 5 what? Times. So which means the value of the common difference is what? Minus 5. So what next is the first term, which is what? A. How do we get A? I can use either equation 1 or equation 2. Anyone can do what? Solve. But let me use equation what? 1. So we now get to equation 1 that says A plus 2D, are you there, is now minus 9. Mind you that we've gotten the value of D, are you there? So let's substitute now. So that I will have A plus 2, then open the bracket. What is D? Minus 5. Then equal to minus what? 9. Can we now say A? Then plus 2 times minus 5 will give us minus what? 10. Then it's now equal to minus 9. Are you there now? Now, what do? We try to make 8, which is the first time subject of the word formula. I will carry minus 10 to the right hand side, so that it will now left with a is now equal to minus 9. So as this minus 10 move to the right, it will change to plus what? 10. Are you there? So which means the value of a should now be minus 9 plus what? 10, which is equal to what? 1. So we have known the first term as what? 1. But look at the question. We are not looking for the common difference, neither are we looking for the first term. What are we looking for? Watch. The question says find the 10th term of the progression. So what is the formula for the 10th term? I will now say T10 is a plus 9d. Are you with me now? T10 is what? A plus what? 9d. We've known a and we have known what? D. Can we now substitute so that we can have equal to? What's the value of a? The value of a is already solved, which is 1. I will remove the a and put what? 1. Then plus what? 9. Open the bracket. Then the common difference is also what? Solved. What is the value? Say it's minus 5. I'll introduce minus 5 here. Close the bracket. Then I have with me now 1. Then watch. Plus 9 times minus 5 will give us minus 45. What did I say? Minus what? 45. Then finally, 1 minus 45 will give us minus 44. So therefore, the value of T10 is what? Minus 44. So that is the final answer.